Present. Yes, good morning. Yesterday we have discussed some solved question answers based on MySQL, and today we will be discussing some unsolved question answers. Fine, so that you will get more idea like what type of question may come or already has come in your examination. So the very first query over here is I will be also typing the answer. The reason is because this is unsolved. So you will be not having its answer also. The question is display the name of student who are getting a grade C in either game or SUPW. First of all, everybody is going to type the answer. Then we will discuss whether your answers are correct or not, or what is the correct answer. Okay, so you have to display the name of all those students who are getting grade C, either in game or in SUPW. And remember to check the table first, that what type of information you are having in the table. Then on the basis of that only you have to decide that what will be the query part. And for every query, I will be giving you 1 minute. Naman, correct answer. Karan, wrong. Twinkle, little bit mistake, wrong. Achal, wrong. Okay, now the first query. See, the very first thing is you are supposed to display the name of the student. So I will be writing select name. Okay, then after select we need to have from command. So from name of the table is student. Then they have given condition where who are getting a grade C in either game or SUPW. Now if you will see your table properly, for game grade is given in grade 1 or SUPW grade is given in grade 2. So you will be writing something like this where grade 1 is equal to C in the single quote. Or now see, this is how you are going to combine two conditions, or grade 2, because many of you have not combined two conditions properly. Or grade 2 is equal to C and then in the end semicolon. Fine, this is how you will be combining this question conditions. Then next question, display the different games offered in the school. Whatever games are there in the school, that you have to display, all the different games. Very easy, this type of question we have done yesterday also. Yes, Twinkle correct. Achal wrong.
Twinkle correct ना, बस यही चाहिए.
हाँ, Twinkle correct. Naman Mathur correct. Whenever answer is correct, we feel very happy. Vanshika correct. Vivina correct. Very good. What about other students? Anshika wrong. Karan correct. See, what you have to understand, you are actually doing practice over here. If you all are in the school, no, so I used to give these all questions to execute. So this is what you are doing. You are typing here. So that is also good part. Karan, wrong. Okay, now the answer part. The very first thing given over here was different games. Yes, Karan, that is your mistake. Okay, so the very first thing was different games. So therefore, select, we have to use distinct clause in this case. This is the first thing. Then after distinct, the name of the column, that is your game only. Then after that from, and then the name of the table. That's it. Okay. So it will show you the name of the different games. Actually, only you have not used distinct. But if you are not using distinct, then this different games, this query will be not completed. Fine. So therefore, it is compulsory to use distinct. Okay, then next question. Display the SUPW taken up by the student whose name starts with A. Now this is very easy and you have done so many lot of practice in this. Remember, you have to write the SUPW, which SUPW work is selected by the student whose name starts with A. Yes, Naman. No, Naman. Wrong. Achal, correct. Prince, correct. Karan, correct. Vivina, correct. Very good. Yes, Naman, now correct. Okay, so the answer is select. Then as I said that it is given in the question, you have to display only SUPW. Okay, Twinkle also correct. So SUPW, then from whatever is your table name, that is student over here. Then see, after that they have given one condition, that the condition was whose name starts with A. So after this, what you will be writing, where name, because it is given starts with A, so you are going to use like clause, like, then over here A percentage. A percentage indicates that their name will start with A, and after that 0 to infinite characters. Then second question, second table, this is sports table. Now all those who understood first question, now second is very easy for all of you. Yes, Naman, correct. Achal, correct. Vivina, wrong. Twinkle, correct. Prince, correct. Vanshika, correct. Karan, wrong. Karan, we are not having any query based on both. Okay, so in this question only, in this previous question only, I'm making the change. The question was display the name of the student. So it will be select name from, instead of student, it will be sports first of all. And then it is given who have grade C either in game 1 or game 2. So again, grade 1 or grade 2, or it is given both. Now see, if it is in any one also, then no problem if it is in second one or not. So both will be automatically covered when we are writing this query, fine. So therefore for both, you are not supposed to write anything separately. I hope this is clear. Then the next question is, display the name of student who have same game for both game 1 and game 2. Means name of the student who is having the same game. Basically this Vena name should come. Okay, because only Vena is having same game, that is tennis and tennis. Yes, Naman, correct. Achal, correct. Very good. Karan, correct. The best part is within 2 days you understood that how to write SQL queries. That is the best part. Yes, Vivina, correct. Very good. Vivina, you have to see the name of the table, fine? It is sports this time. Vanshika, correct. Okay, we will discuss the answer now. See, the question is to display the name of the student who have same game. So first of all, select name from sportswear. Up to here, we will be having same statement. Then after this, then who have same game for both game 1 and game 2. And as I already said, this only Vena name should come. The reason is because Vena is the only one who is having same game in game 1 and game 2. So you can simply write where game 1 is equal to, because you have to check for exact match, is equal to game 2 and semicolon. Fine, only this much. Then the next question, display the games taken up by the student whose name starts with A. Like this type of question we have already done previously. Yes, Naman, correct. Naman, your answer was correct. Twinkle, wrong. Prince, correct. Vivina, correct. Karan, wrong. Achal, correct. Vanshika, very good, correct. Karan, then also wrong. One more mistake you have done. Okay, the question is display the games taken up by the students. Now you know very well games are given either in the game 1 or in the game 2. So you will be writing something like this: select game 1, comma game 2. Fine. It is compulsory that if multiple columns are there, you are going to write comma. So some of you have done that mistake from sports. Then after that, your where condition. Now in where condition, it is clearly given whose name starts with letter A. So where name is equal to, sorry, name like, then because it is given starts with, so first letter will be A, and after that you will be having 0 to infinite characters, and after that semicolon in the last. Okay, very good. You have done MySQL in 9th class? Before 9th class?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, therefore you are understanding these all queries you have done that time.
Yes, ma'am. Update the display and this.
Great. Great. Just now only I came to know that you have done this.
Yes, ma'am, we have done this. We have solved many of the questions Dilip sir gave us.
Okay, very good. Chalo.
We did it in this MS Office Access.
That though I think 9th and 10th class you must be having, no? And means the best part is it was in your 8th standard or 7th standard, and queries of that time you are still remembering. That is good. Acha, but don't remember that much. Oh, fine. To show all information about the swimming coaches in the club. See the question properly. Twinkle wrong. Naman wrong. Achal wrong. Vanshika wrong. Prince correct. See the question properly. Read each and every word properly. You must be clear what you wanted to display. Only Prince has given correct answer. Anshika wrong. Naman wrong. Vivina correct. Very good. Karan correct. Good. Vanshika correct. Achal correct. Okay, we will discuss the answer. First of all, Naman wrong. First of all, it is given to show all the information. When you have to show all the information, it is select asterisk from your table name, that is club. Okay. Then they have given about the swimming coaches in the club. Now you have to see swimming coaches, how you will come to know, that is why with sports. So whomsoever sports is equal to swimming, their complete information actually you have to display. So select asterisk we are writing for displaying all the columns from column club, and then where sports is equal to swimming. and then in the last semicolon. This is the first answer. Then to list the name of all the coaches with their date of appointment in descending order. Anshika, wrong. Just see the question properly. What you have to display, that should be clear to you. Vivina, correct? Ajay, Vivina, even your column name is not correct. Achal, correct? Prince, correct? Anshika, answer is correct, but after name, don't put that comma. No, that is wrong. Anshika, again it is wrong. Vivina, you are also wrong. Little bit wrong. Okay, many are facing problem with this question. See, the question is first of all to list the name of all coaches. So the very first thing is you have to list the name of the coaches. Coaches names are given in coach name. So it will be select coach name from club. Okay, then what they have given with their date of appointment in ascending order. So after this, order by, then date of appointment, date of APP in descending order. So after this DESC, that's it. Okay. Acha, few of you have done one mistake that you are writing here asterisk. See, asterisk will not come. The reason is in the question it is given that you are only going to display the names. Okay, and some of you are writing over here order by me, you are writing name comma date of APP. First of all, no name column is here. Coach name if you are writing, but it is not given over here. It is given that only on the basis of this in the descending order. So the question must be very clear to all of you. Then the next question, to display a report showing coach name, pay, age, bonus, 15% of pay for all the coaches. This is simple, huh? Don't get confused with this word display a report. Only you have to display all these things for all the coaches. Okay, for all the coaches, this much is only given. Naman, correct answer? Okay, after Naman, then Prince, wrong answer. Vanshika, wrong. Karan, correct. Twinkle, correct. Okay, we will discuss this answer. As I said that you ignore this word report, you have to display all these information first of all. So it is select coach name, comma pay, comma age, and for bonus it is given 15% of pay. So 15% of pay means you cannot write 15%. Fine, 15 divided by 100 multiply by pay. So this will be the 15%. As then they have given you the new name as bonus. So as bonus from club. Okay, this is how you are going to write. Yes, Prince, now your answer is also correct. I hope this is also clear. Then you can see again last table, and we have very less time. Acha, the best part is you have to only write the output of this. Okay, output means now you have to tell me what is the output of this. Select count distinct sports from club. Yes, Naman, correct. Let me know first. Twinkle, correct. This is the last question, all of you first. Beta output. Yes, Prince correct. Anshika correct. Vanshika wrong. Karan correct. Okay, see, first of all, Vivina wrong, but first of all, from my side, let me clear one thing. The use of this count function, the count function is used for counting purpose. Okay, it is going to count actually how many records are there. It was not informed from my side. So actually you have to count how many distinct sports are there. Okay, so ultimately you have to count. If you will start counting, there are 4 different types of sports available. Then next question is, see, now we have min function. Min function is used to find minimum value. So min of age from club where sex is equal to F. Yes, Anchal correct, Naman correct. Prince correct. Karan correct. Twinkle correct. Anshika correct. Okay. Now see, minimum of age where sex is F, it means for female, what is the minimum age given over here? If you will see, the very first age of female is 34. Then for female, it is 36, 39, 37. So out of these four, 34 is the smallest one. So answer will be 34 for this. So answer will be 34. Then the next question is, select AVJ. AVJ means average. Average pay from the club where sports is equal to karate. Okay, we have less time. So see, wherever karate is there, that is 1000, 1200 and 1100. You have to add these three and then divided by 3. So it is 1100. Answer is 1100. All of you have given correct answer also. And last one is, select sum of pay from club where date of appointment is greater than 31,198. It is greater than 31,198. Now see what sum function will do. It is going to add those pay. See what we have to understand, 1 means 31 January 1998. So this you will ignore. Okay, now it is also less than 31st January. This also ignore. This one you have to consider. This one again you have to ignore. This one is also less than 31st January. This you have to consider. Then this you have to consider. Then this you have to consider. And this you have to consider. Simply add all these numbers. Okay, it means 2000 plus 800 plus this one. So this is ultimately 5,000, 6,100 and then 7,800. Fine. The answer is 7,800 is the correct answer. All those who have given this answer. I hope this is clear to all of you. Then tomorrow we will do little bit theory part so that all these functions, whatever we have discussed today, actually this is what we are going to discuss tomorrow also, that so that you will understand more clearly the use of these functions. Okay, then good day all of you.
And we will start integrating this with Python.
What?
When we will start
What when you will be starting?
integrating this with Python.
Connectivity with Python.
Yes, ma'am.
Once this SQL part is over, see if you are not flexible with all these things, no, you will be not able to work properly. Okay, so first I want you to understand this SQL properly, then we will do that. That will also take near about 3 to 4 days, but first we will complete this properly. Then only we will switch over to the connectivity part.
Okay, ma'am.
Huh. Okay, then good day all of you.